so what do you do in the case that you need to correct a ceramic coated car? This car, it looks like it was not properly leveled off. It looks like there's a lot of high spots. It's very botchy, very hazy in many areas. But what do you do in a scenario like this? So in a scenario like this, you would have to polish the ceramic coating. You would have to remove the ceramic coating by polishing. So I'm gonna use a cutting pad. This is from Rupes, and I'm gonna use 3D1, which is a hybrid compound and polish. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the coating first, and then we're simply gonna reapply. So that's what you would do in a situation like this. Check out the process and how we do it. Okay, so this is the before and after one pass. That was the before. This is the after. Before and after. Okay, so now that we're done polishing, the very next step is to do preparing the paint. This is the paint prep from PNS. And this step is very crucial because one of the reasons why a ceramic coating may fail or not look good or haze up or leave high spots is if you don't prepare the paint well. So this basically is a mixture of different cleaners, solvents, and some alcohol, and it just leaves the paint squeaky clean. Just virgin clear coat, because that's what we want to work with. Just a virgin clear coat, so there's no interference when we apply the ceramic coating, and it bonds directly to the clear coat. So this step, though it is kind of simple, it's very important. So we're gonna go ahead and prepare and clean up the whole hood. So when preparing the vehicle, one area you really want to make sure you clean is the edge in between the panels, because polish gets stuck in there as you're passing the polisher between two panels that have a gap. So you grab a little bit of your paint prep, you put it at the edge, and you just go ahead and make sure you get this edge so you don't leave any residue from the polish, because even though it might not be super visible right now, when it gets hardened or later, it will turn white and it looks a little bit tacky, looks ugly. So you want to make sure you get the edges as well. So the edges here too. Okay, so now it's time to apply the coating. And when working outside, there's a couple variables you gotta mitigate. Because you're in the sun, the coating is gonna flash faster. So you wanna work in smaller areas. Also, you wanna make sure you clean the area thoroughly. There's no debris on it before you apply the coating. Okay, so once you're done applying, one very important thing is you have to check wherever you work from different angles, from all different angles, and this way you're gonna ensure that you do not leave any high spots, basically any leftover ceramic coating that was not removed or leveled, I should say. This step again is so that you don't get the problem you had in the first place, and you have a perfect finish. So